Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Allie. If you are new here, welcome. I'm so happy to have you. Here on my channel, I do a ton of cleaning and organization videos, as well as some mommy and lifestyle stuff as well. So I hope that you stick around. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so already. And today we're gonna be cleaning the house. This is just a random cleaning in the middle of the day. Andrew, my husband, has the kiddos, so I thought that I would take this opportunity to knock out some cleaning. The first thing that I'm doing is setting up my diffuser, and I am diffusing citrus fresh and lavender, and this just helps to kind of freshen up the air and make it smell really nice. I really like diffusing fresh scents while I am cleaning as kind of like a motivation, and it also just helps me feel like my house is extra clean. Next, I am tackling this bar area. We never really sit here to eat or do anything, and so this area is mostly just a catch-all for all of our bills and important stuff that we don't want to lose, but it does get cluttered all the time. So I am going through and I am sorting through mail and bills and putting everything away. Next, I'm moving on into the living room, and as you can tell, we do a lot of living in this space. Oakley's toys are all over the floor, blankets are thrown everywhere, pillows are smushed, so I'm going through and just putting things away, picking up any trash, and folding up the blankets and fluffing up the pillows. And I'm also putting Oakley's toys away. Next, I am neatening up this desk area. I very badly need to organize these drawers, so maybe that'll be in a cleaning video coming up soon, but for now I'm just kind of stuffing things into drawers and tidying up the space and then putting away these dishes. Now onto the dining room. I'm going to talk about this table in just a second, but you guys watch this next clip. Did you guys just see that door? It opened by itself. Andrew and the kids were nowhere near. That is creepy. But anyways, moving on. Now I'm straightening up this little bay window area. This is where Emerson likes to play, so we let her keep some of her toys here. This is kind of random. We just sold our little white car that we have driven for as long as Andrew and I have been married. And this is all of the junk that came out of the car. So half of it was trash and half of it is stuff that we obviously wanted to keep. But when I cleaned out the car before we sold it, I just stuffed all of it into this trash bag. So now I'm going through it. I really need to figure out this coat closet situation. I don't like having all of my cleaning supplies in here. There's filing, water bottles, raincoats, diapers. It's a hot mess. And then we also got a new light fixture to go over the dining table, so Andrew is taking those boxes out. Now I am moving on to the kitchen, and I am still straightening things up and putting things away. We are pretty bad about doing our dishes. Andrew does the dishes a lot of the time for our family, which is awesome. but we are so bad about rinsing our dishes off before putting them in the sink, or rinsing them off and putting them in the dishwasher. That would be a better idea. So since we're so bad at it, the sink piles up with dishes a lot. So right now I am just rinsing off the dishes, and then I'm going to load the dishwasher with as many things as I can fit in there, and then I'm going to hand wash the rest. Next, I'm moving on to my countertops, and I'm using this Thieves Household Cleaner by Young Living. It's a concentrate, and I use it on so many surfaces in my home. I use it on pretty much everything in my home: countertops, floors, bathrooms, toilets, mirrors, sinks, windows. You name it, you can use this Thieves Household Cleaner concentrate to clean it. And I love it because it's non-toxic and safe to use around my family. And for this stovetop, I'm using this cooktop cleaner from Barkeeper's Friend and a walnut scrubber sponge from Grove Collaborative. This is probably the most satisfying part of cleaning the stovetop, is getting a microfiber cloth and wiping off the cleaner. Moving on to the sink area, I am first starting by washing off this little dish that I keep all my soaps on. I found this one at TJ Maxx, but you can actually get them from Grove Collaborative. Next, I'm cleaning out this sink, and to clean the sink, I keep it super simple and just use whatever dish soap I have sitting next to my sink. And then if I need an extra little boost, then I add some baking soda. That works super good as kind of like a soft scrub abrasive type thing. And it also works really good to get stains out of your stainless steel sink. I let my dishes air dry for just a little bit, but I wanted my countertops to be cleared off, so I'm hand drying the rest of them, and then I'm gonna put them away. I'm getting a clean cloth and I am going to wipe down the kitchen table. So now is the perfect time to tell you guys about the kitchen table. So we just got this kitchen table. We are so excited about it. We waited almost 5 months to get one, but I can't tell you where we got it from yet. I'm actually gonna do a video on that. So be on the lookout for a video all about the table soon. Next, I'm cleaning out the high chair. I'm getting kind of sentimental watching myself clean this out because this is actually the exact high chair that Emerson used and that I used to film myself cleaning for cleaning videos. And now it's Oakley making a huge mess for me to clean up. The next thing that I'm doing is giving the floors a good vacuum using my Dyson stick vacuum. And honestly, these floors could probably use a good mopping as well, but I will save that for another day. You guys, isn't this table so cute? I cannot wait to talk about it. I had a load of towels that needed to be folded, and these are specifically kitchen towels. So I'm folding these up and putting them away in this white basket, which is where they are kept. I feel like normally towels are kept in a drawer, at least that's how I grew up, but I don't have a ton of drawer space in my kitchen now, so I keep them in this basket and then I put them in a cupboard. But I'm curious, do you guys keep your towels in a basket or in a drawer? So I know that I fluffed these pillows and made them look all cute and pretty, but then I noticed that the couch was covered in crumbs, and so I decided that I probably should give this couch a good deep vacuum. We love this couch. We love the color. We think it's super comfortable, but the one thing we don't love is that you can't remove the cushions to like fluff them and clean them. So that's kind of a bummer, but other than that, we really love the couch. And I get asked all the time where we got it. So on Instagram, I actually just linked a whole bunch of stuff in my house, and then I saved those stories to highlights. So if you guys are curious about anything, go check there first. And if it's not there, then check my Amazon storefront. And I also linked the rug because I get questions about that as well. So that is it. The house is all clean, at least the downstairs. You guys probably don't want to see the upstairs, but I'll save that for another day. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it gave you some cleaning motivation and inspiration. Make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel if you haven't done so already. Follow us on Instagram at Allie_Gooch to keep up with us there. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
Keep on driving in